So, what is Substack? I've been thinking about this question because I've been using this platform for a long time. So, when people ask me what is Substack, I usually say this. It's a social media for people who like to read and write. And that is the simplest sums up I can give to people. And it's not just that. And it's not just another social media platform. It's actually more than that. Because nowadays, all the social media are trying to use you as a product. And they want to send you ads and they want to charge you. Okay? And Substack is the other way around. I think Substack is a little bit different. It's more supportive to the creators, which is our writers on Substack, where I feel very supported. Because when I got into the platform, I noticed that writers can get paid for their knowledge and their insights and sharing valuable information and experience. This is something really amazing because other social media platforms just certainly don't do this. If you're writers, you are creators, you're on Substack, you can decide whether you want to get paid by your writing and how much you want to get paid. It's based on a monthly subscription. So anyone can subscribe to your newsletter and they can pay for the monthly fee or yearly fee as they wish. If you're a person who doesn't like read and write, the Substack might not be for you. And if you like read and write, you'll find this platform is like the heaven on earth because all the people gathered together are all writers, people who like to read. It's like you have a whole big gang and hang out together. It's pretty cool. So enough of those mindless scrolling. Finally, there's something a little bit more information. Is it somewhere I can read more information and insights and also other people's experience?
Substack is constantly updating and adding new features. When I first signed up, the note feature was just roll out and I start to see people post like on Instagram and Facebook. And I was a little bit bewildered because I thought it is just for newsletters instead of a social media platform. But now it has rolled out more features you can use as a blog, newsletter outlet, and also a social media to connect with people. And I will share with you what are the differences. When you first to see a publication, you will find it's more like a blog. People just write posts. They also have amazing features. Once you post your new post, it will go out as newsletter. So that is a great thing about Substack. And no, it's more like a social media post, like Instagram post and Facebook post, a tweet. You can write something short and you can write something long as well. And you can add photos or videos on it. So that's just the three different major features at the moment. And I'm sure they're going to add more in the future. And now you can also go live on Substack. So other social media platform is encouraging people keep scrolling. Substack is really encouraging people to write newsletters, to send out newsletters. Here's why. Because they only get paid when you get paid. But it might all change in the future. So how to get paid by your writing on Substack? First, you start to write posts, send out newsletters to people. And you can turn on paid. When people start to read your posts, people can subscribe to your newsletters and receive your post by email. And also on Substack, both on mobile and desktop. You can decide whether you want your post to be free or pay subscribers only. Most writers post both paid and free posts to attract more subscribers. So there's a question, do you have to turn on pay on Substack? No, absolutely no. You don't have to if you don't want to. It really depends on your goal on Substack. If your writer provide insights, knowledges, and personal experience, your writing is valuable. Absolutely turn on pay. But if your goal is to build a community and to sell your product and services, then you don't have to turn on pay if you don't want to, because the more people can read your free posts, you have more opportunity to gain new customers. Substack encouraging everyone to turn on pay because they only get paid when you get paid. Substack take a percentage of the subscription fee, and the platform is operating under this principle. People like me don't like those social media platforms keep sending ads and after ads. Ads are more than organic posts. So when I first came to Substack, I was like, wow, finally, it's a platform don't encouraging scrolling and there's no ads. At least not at the moment of recording. It might change in the future. They also recommend people to follow other people, subscribe to other people's newsletter too. They have a great feature about this recommendation. For example, if I follow your account, immediately it will pop up a window to show me the newsletter that you recommended. This is a great way to collaborate with other writers, so other writers' subscriber can be your subscriber too. Substack is free to use. Only if you pay for some monthly subscription fee to some newsletters. You can publish newsletters and post notes and go on live or free. Most people write newsletters once or twice a week, and they use Note to engage with people daily. I follow many artists. They share their daily sketches on Note. Notes can be something casual and something more relatable. All notes stay on Substack, and posts will go to newsletter, send it to your subscribers by email. If you're interested to open a Substack account, I have a tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide, and I will leave the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this will really help me to grow this channel. It's Lydia Amanda, and I'll talk to you in the next video.